Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I've got another brand new radio. I got it a couple of days ago. It's been out for a while, but they had a super sale on Amazon. It's still going on. You get this thing for 12 bucks. When it first came out 6-8 months ago, it was $40. And since it's analog, $40, and then I didn't want it. But for 12 bucks, I had to try it out to see if it's any good. It's a, there's the name. I don't know how you pronounce it. And it's a model HRD 700. And like I say, 6 or 8 months ago, I reviewed a digital version of this. It's the RF75A, and it cost me back then, it cost me $55. And my videos that I did on that are number 2326 and 2327. And I really like that radio because it's got a lot of features. Now this guy is tiny. Here, let me show you. Tiny. It's analog. And even what's even tinier is the manual with this tiny text. I have to use a magnifying glass or my camera to read it. And this thing's got a lot of features. It comes with a nice silk-like carrying pouch, a carrying strap, which goes right there, and the USB charging cable. It doesn't come with an adapter. You have to supply the adapter. And it uses one of those older cell phone batteries. There it is right there. Which I'm not really too fond of. Their capacity is kind of low. This thing is tiny. Really tiny. And it's got so many functions and features that it's difficult to use at first. I'm still struggling. AM, FM, shortwave. What is the shortwave frequency? Hold on 1 second. My memory is just not what it used to be. I can't even find it. I know I read it in the manual, but I can't find it. Sorry. I'm kind of excited about this. And I wanted to get a quick video out while it's on sale. Like I say, it was originally 6 or 8 months ago, $35, and now it's $12. 5.7 to 17.9 megahertz. And it has a weather band. That's what caught my eye, is it has a weather band. So, and weather alert. So right now, we're starting the hurricane season. So you need an emergency NOAA weather radio. And this might be it. For 12 bucks, plus you get AM, FM, shortwave, Bluetooth, and there's a slot right here for an MP3 card. Can you believe that? All that in this little tiny radio. I'm not going to go into the features right now because I'm still very early learning the features. The dial, see the dial there? In my camera, I can read it because the camera magnifies it. Well, yeah, I can read it with my glasses, my readers, but it's not easy. It's not easy. Now, another confusion factor is it has ATS, automatic tuning and storing. And I think it says there's like 100 memory channels, I think. I can see I just got this, and so I'm learning it. I can't find it right offhand. But it's it's a more than enough memory locations. But the problem is you have it do an automatic tuning and storing, and then you can click through what it found, but you have no idea what the frequency is because there's no digital readout, and this doesn't move automatically. This is the tuning knob right here. Oh, it's in the front. There's the tuning knob. Kind of coarse. Over here is the the mode selection. Radio, Bluetooth, MP3 player. Up here is the various function keys, which are just embossed. It would have been so much better if they would have had like white lettering. So you got to get the light just right so you can read it. So we got power on, off, set. I think that might be related to the clock. I haven't tried it. Forward, pause, band select, forward, reverse, pause. And then this is the volume, kind of hard to reach volume knob. Got a telescopic antenna that's almost 2 feet. This is the carrying strap where this goes. And it's a pretty neat radio. I'll turn off just for a second. Try to. Let's see. Power. Got lots of lights that tell you different things.
College accolades. It's absolutely
Okay,
ridiculous.
that's
I mean, talk about quarterback on
medium
defense,
wave.
Game breaker, Peter Warwick. I mean, all these are
Which
names
is
that are on this list.
this little light right here. And then there's a light here. Whoops, you can't see it. Let me get a pen.
I mean, Mike Huff,
So it's got these tiny lights and tiny symbols that tells you what it is.
So again,
This says it's on. Let me turn the volume down.
Part of this list. I mean,
I don't like to be competing there. This light's telling you it's on medium wave. This light is telling you that it's getting a strong signal. Let me see if I can get that there. There we go. And then we got a light for shortwave. We got a light for weather band. We got a light for FM. And then we have number lights 1 through 7, which are related to tracks and memory locations. And then we got an indicator for sleep mode, an indicator here that tells you that you have it charging, that turns green, it's charging. You got an indicator here for Bluetooth, and antenna. I mean, it's just loaded. I didn't even notice this button here before. It says mod, or mode, maybe it's mode. Unbelievable. Tiny radio that's just loaded with features. But like I say, because it's loaded with features, it's taken me a while to learn how to use it. So I just wanted to get this out there quick. I think it is a good buy at $12 right now, especially since it has the weather band and you can set it up to give you weather alerts. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just leave them down below. I'll try my best to answer them. And I'm going to do, of course, some more videos showing you the various features in more detail. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.